almost desolate, but so promising, and children in Gippsland help to fulfil that promise. Firstly, the task.
How many acres have you got here?
2,000. Not bad, is it?
Well, that's alright.
Yeah.
2,000. Is that all out there?
Yeah, as far as you can see is on this property. That's the Morass property owned by the Wet Trust. As far as you can see, there's like 7 kilometres of the Latrobe River. All those red gums,
Yep.
as far as the eye could see. So if you could walk for an hour, you'd still be on this property. So it's pretty good. And you're contributing to it. You're going to help restore it.
Some 100 years of farming have left their mark.
Yeah, we've got a combination of revegetation and the use of that water will help, restore the property, hopefully. And these kids can help out.
How's it going?
G'day, it's good.
Who would you like them to start with?
I reckon more diversity around this area because you can mostly see there's not really many trees straight out there.
Trees are a large part of the answer, providing a range of habitat and so encouraging biodiversity.
You can see the bark's been chewed around the edge of the hollow. Now that's a sure sign that something, probably a rosella, has been prospecting that hollow as a nest site and is almost certainly going to use it.
On the edge of the morass are examples of what's aimed for.
We've got cockatoos over there. Oh, rosellas in a tree over there prospecting for nest sites. So we're in a little area
Habitat for a wide range of creatures, not least bugs and birds.
And so we've got all the birds that nest in hollows. We don't have enough of these old trees that are full of hollows to accommodate all the birds that need nesting sites.
The hollows are used for kookaburras, owls, sugar gliders, bats.
If you do a really good job, then in 300 years your tree could still be here. That's pretty amazing. Then go, peace, man. Do that.
Trees also help provide habitat for frogs and snakes, amphibians and reptiles. Skillful planting helps them to survive and grow to maturity.
Flick, and then because you've got your fingers around it, it'll hold together. And with both hands, put it right down as deep as that hole.
They'll help keep the salt below the surface, stop erosion, and enhance the biodiversity of the surrounding area.
You start to firm it in because we want those little roots to be able to tap into all that moisture. Who wants their tree to last for 300 years? Exactly. So nice and deep.
Who needs help?
During the bushwalking we had to look for bugs and we had to catch them in a jar. I caught a ladybird and I had to let it go because I didn't know what it ate.
A very good place where bugs and insects hide is under the bark of trees.
That's the one I found! I'm Go, James! Go! Can I have that?
Yeah. You can see whatever made the cocoon has hatched out because it's got a hole. Oh yeah, there you go. That's a beetle. That's it. We found one.
I will.
Okay, Tom, I found a spider on here.
It's estimated there are some 30 million species of bugs in the world, many useful in ways we don't know yet. Should they disappear, as a number of them are, we don't know what the effect may be.
Caterbug. I have 2 huntsmans, 2 of them. We got this.
Stick it in. Look at that, I've got.
Videotape his. It's awesome. Big huntsman.
It's like a cocoon nest.
It's a butterfly. It has its legs in there.
And it's got something inside it.
It's probably its shell.
It had this on it.
It's probably its shell.
A couple of bugs.
And I don't think mine's hatched yet.
Getting it ready.
Are you ready?
Yeah, I'm getting ready.
Steady.
Go!
Oh.
More spiders.
Oh,
that one's
something used to live there.
Oh, spiders.
Yeah.
That's an earwig.
It must be his holiday home. Let's see if we can find.
Holiday.
Let's see if we can find someone that's actually living there.
You're pretty good at finding bugs.
Where there are no suitable trees, birds are provided with temporary accommodation.
The students are all going to make one of these boxes and install them into local habitats. So I'm putting these ones here just to show them an example of what they look like and how they're installed.
Your area starts where the last group finished.
Besides providing diverse habitats, trees have other essential functions.
They help us survive because trees have got oxygen and they help all the animals and help other people. They provide a home for possums and birds. We produce carbon dioxide and they produce oxygen.
Once planted securely, they need protection from grazing animals like kangaroos and, of course, cows.
I planted a gum tree.
Trees grow better in unpolluted environments. Water bugs can tell us about pollution.
Scientific testing to see what the water quality is like. We're quite concerned about what's going into Flooding Creek because it will flow into the Latrobe and then it will flow into Lake Wellington. And the reason we're particularly interested in that is because bugs that we're seeing live there because it's nice habitat for them. And if we have poor water quality, then they can't live there anymore.
We perform 3 tests.
In the top of your kit, there's a thermometer.
Temperature, whether the water is acidic like lemon or alkaline, and the amount of salt in the water.
12.5. 12.7.
13? Yep. Well, I think 11 is pretty nice for bugs.
Oh no, that's a dark yellow.
An acid or alkaline basically means if the water is acidic or if it's basic or alkaline. Around the middle, we've got pure water and milk. So, which one would you prefer to swim in? Pure water. Milk might smell a bit, but it probably wouldn't hurt your skin. But if we went swimming in lemon juice, it probably wouldn't be very nice.
Yeah, do it that way. 6.5. 6.5. 6.5.
Do you think 6.5 is pretty good? Yeah, it is. We've got groundwater underneath us, and that's exactly what the trees are looking for when they drop their roots down. And they can go quite far and suck up that water. When they're sucking up that water, it keeps the water table very low, which is good. But when we chop all of the trees down, sometimes that water can come to the to the ground. And what happens is it brings salt up through the soil. And that salty water goes into the creeks. Salt water conducts electricity better than fresh water. If it's really salty, we get a very high reading. If it's not so salty, we get a lower reading. 1,250. Very good. So we've got 1,200. 1,200, 1,300, something like that. So it's actually between drinking water and seawater. Yep. It's quite good actually.
A healthy environment can also be judged by the number and variety of frogs. We can identify them by their call and infer what they are from where they live, their habitat.
They go up to the sign, find out what habitat. Does everyone know what habitat means? That's where something lives, doesn't it? Find out his habitat and then find out where he's going to go on the board.